The weather's starting to turn. It's getting to be camping season. I'm off a little bit early today, and, well, I don't want to bring my wife's good bakeware to a campsite to bake in our Coleman folding oven. So, I had a thought, for better or worse. Might be worse, I don't know. But we're going to go check to see what the dollar store has to offer. Alrighty. There's our destination. The weather's been kind of lousy, so I'm sort of looking for a parking space up front. I guess next to this F-150 here is as good as I'm going to get. Well, the car is parked. I managed to pull through. The F-150 is behind me. Let's get into that Dollar Tree behind me and see what we can find. Well, it's not much to look at, but they have a 2-pack of plastic rulers. That's all I need. Here we are at the Bakeware. What will work in that Coleman oven? They have a pie pan. Remember, we gotta go inches. And it's about 9.5 inches in diameter. That'll work. They also have a little cake pan. A round one, which I think, it's not like I'm going to be baking pies per se in camp. It's 8.5 inches. That will definitely work. Okay, we have a square cake pan, 8 inches by what looks to be about 9.5. Okay, the muffin pan measured out about 10.25. It's going to take a little wiggling, but it'll go in. Okay, so what I was able to source up here is the muffin tin, an 8x8 cake tin, and 8-inch round cake pans. The 8x8 cake tin will be perfect for doing small lasagnas, things like that. The muffin tin is kind of obvious. I can do biscuits and the like in the round cake pan. And the only thing I didn't find that I wanted to was a 9 or 10 inch pizza pan. They don't appear to have one. I haven't seen too many of them. I've seen some stoneware ones on Amazon. I don't want to spend that much on it. So we'll see what I can come up with. But at least I got a little something I can pick up here at Dollar Tree. Along with the other things, I found a perfect size loaf pan so I can make bread or meatloaf, whatever, in the little Coleman oven. I also, and you've got to be careful, Dollar Tree carries utility lighters. Let me see if I can do without shaking this too much. I picked up 5 of them. But Dollar Tree carries these long utility lighters. And if you look on the back here, some of them, like the ones I got, have instructions to refill them. Some of them don't. If you want refillable lighters, make sure you look for the ones that have the instructions. I don't know if you can even see it here, but it's got the little round port on the bottom. I don't like the disposable lighters. If you follow any of my previous stuff, you'll see I don't particularly care for disposable junk items. I like stuff that's going to have some use, some utility out of it for quite a while to come. I'm not going to hold on to these things forever, but I don't want to use them for 3 months and then have to throw them out, buy new ones. I would rather refill them, keep that out of the waste stream. So that's really it. Okay, well, now, the weather's kind of icky. I don't want to use them today, but my next video, we're going to try using this bakeware out and see what we got. I think the next video I'm going to do biscuits with southern sausage gravy with sausage. You know, just kind of a good old southern classic. I figure a lot of folks will like it. So we'll show you how to do that on your Coleman stove and your Coleman oven next time. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.